Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to open the recents, and we can do it just by tapping on this button here with those I would say like cards or rectangles which will mimic the recent, or previously opened tabs. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see right here we've got the list of previously visited apps, opened apps, and of course if you want to, you can close only one of them or two just by tapping on this X button on it, or you can simply swipe it to the right. But if you want to close all of them, just tap on this kind of a brush icon, I believe, and as you can see your device will automatically turn them off completely. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.